Welcome to this comprehensive guide on common problems and the solutions to solve it. In this tutorial we will explore the key concepts and practical examples to help you understand and address common issues effectively. Firstly, it is essential to identify the problem and understand its root cause. This involves gathering information and analyzing data to determine the underlying factors contributing to the issue. Once the problem is identified, it is crucial to define the goals and objectives of the solution. This will help you stay focused and ensure that the solution is aligned with your overall objectives. Next, we will discuss the importance of brainstorming and idea generation. This involves thinking creatively and considering different perspectives to come up with innovative solutions. It is essential to evaluate and prioritize the ideas based on their feasibility and potential impact. Now let us consider some practical examples of common problems and their solutions. For instance, a common problem in business is low productivity. To solve this issue, you can implement strategies such as time management training and employee motivation programs. Another example is environmental pollution, which can be addressed by implementing recycling programs and reducing waste. Best practices for solving problems include staying calm and objective, seeking input from others, and being open to new ideas. It is also essential to continuously monitor and evaluate the solution to ensure it is effective, and make adjustments as needed. In conclusion, solving problems requires a structured approach that involves identifying the issue, defining goals, brainstorming solutions, and evaluating and implementing the best option. By following these steps and considering practical examples and best practices, you can develop effective solutions to common problems and achieve your objectives. Remember to stay focused, think creatively, and continuously evaluate and improve your solutions to ensure success.